Elevate Commercial Investment Group, VFR Capital Investments, and Pro Investors Capital have teamed up to present our latest multifamily investment. Today, we're pleased to present Story Hill Apartments, which is an excellent opportunity to invest in a one-of-a-kind property located in the heart of Irving, Texas. Story Hill Apartments is a 125-unit Class C apartment in a Class B neighborhood. A true value add that's primed and ready for the sponsor team to come in and upgrade all the units as it currently sits at 0% occupancy. This property was built in 1970 and consists of 6 two-story buildings on 3.9 acres in Irving, Texas. Its current amenities include a management office, on-site parking, laundry facility, and pool. We also plan to add a playground as well as an outdoor sitting area with pergolas and grills. Since 2010, Irving has shown a growth rate of over 9% and currently has a diverse population of over 236,000 people. The median age is 32 with an average household income of $64,800 and a median property value of $177,500. Irving is the second largest employment center in North Texas, with access to a workforce of 3.3 million people. Irving is also a keystone city in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, making it home to 8,500 local and multinational companies. Located only 7 miles from Story Hill Apartments, you'll find the global headquarters of 5 Fortune 500 companies and more than 45 Fortune 1000 companies within a 15-mile radius. Story Hill Apartments' convenient location offers everything one may want right outside their door. From major sporting events to amazing shopping and dining to theme parks, golf courses, museums, and theaters. Irving is also home to the University of Dallas, Northlake College, the Irving Convention Center at Las Colinas, and the Irving Mall. Within 15 miles of Story Hill Apartments, you'll find 3 shopping centers, 5 parks, and both the Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport, only 7.7 miles, and Dallas Love Field Airport, 11.1 miles. Accessing the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplexes is easy, with nearby highways such as I-35, Loop 635, and President George Bush Turnpike, which are all within minutes of Story Hill Apartments. This property offers a great opportunity to provide generous returns to our investors over a 5-year term. This property is the perfect opportunity to invest in a well-located multifamily asset that has great value-add potential and is being purchased at a very attractive low basis. With this being a one-of-a-kind deal in the DFW market, we've had a tremendous amount of inquiries about it since our teaser, due to having such a strong sponsor team in a growing city with exceptional returns. We're now accepting funds on a first-come, first-served basis, so we suggest that you review the documents and move quickly. Click the link and get signed up for our investor portal so you can easily review any details. Thank you.